Are you ready to discover the secret to a healthier you? Imagine revitalizing your body from the inside out, unlocking boundless energy, and feeling more vibrant than ever before. Well, get ready because today we are diving into the world of kidney cleansing foods. 15 culinary superheroes that can detoxify and invigorate your kidneys like never before. So sit back, relax, and prepare to embark on a journey to optimal wellness. Hey everyone, welcome to Nutriologgy. Today, we are delving into a topic that's often overlooked but incredibly vital for our overall health: kidney cleansing foods. Our kidneys play a crucial role in filtering toxins and waste from our bodies. But with the hustle and bustle of modern life and the onslaught of processed foods, our kidneys could use a helping hand. Fear not, because nature has provided us with an array of delicious foods that not only nourish our bodies, but also cleanse and support our hardworking kidneys. So without further ado, let's unveil the top 15 kidney cleansing foods that will leave you feeling rejuvenated and revitalized. Our journey begins with the summertime favorite, watermelon. This juicy fruit isn't just a refreshing treat on a hot day. It's also a powerful ally in kidney health. With its high water content and natural diuretic properties, watermelon helps flush out toxins from the kidneys, promoting optimal function and preventing the formation of kidney stones. Next up on our list are tart and tangy cranberries. These tiny berries pack a punch when it comes to kidney health. Rich in antioxidants and compounds that inhibit the adherence of bacteria to the urinary tract, cranberries can help prevent urinary tract infections and promote the overall health of your kidneys. No kidney cleansing regimen would be complete without an ample serving of leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support kidney function and aid in detoxification. Incorporating these nutrient-rich greens into your diet can help keep your kidneys happy and healthy. When life gives you lemons, make kidney cleansing lemon water. Lemons are a natural diuretic and are rich in citric acid, which can help dissolve kidney stones and prevent their formation. Start your day with a warm glass of lemon water to kickstart your metabolism and support your kidneys' detoxification process. Not just a flavorful addition to your favorite dishes, garlic is also a powerhouse when it comes to kidney health. This pungent bulb contains sulfur compounds that help detoxify the kidneys and promote healthy blood circulation. Adding garlic to your meals not only enhances the flavor, but also provides a myriad of health benefits for your kidneys. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for kidney health. Packed with antioxidants and low in sugar, these colorful fruits help reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress, keeping your kidneys in top-notch condition. An apple a day not only keeps the doctor away, but also supports kidney health. Apples are rich in soluble fiber and antioxidants, which help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of kidney damage. Snack on a crisp apple to satisfy your sweet cravings while giving your kidneys a much-needed boost. Spice up your life and your kidney health with the golden goodness of turmeric. This vibrant spice contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Incorporating turmeric into your cooking can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and protect against kidney disease. Say goodbye to nausea and hello to healthier kidneys with the zesty kick of ginger. This aromatic root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its digestive and anti-inflammatory properties. Adding ginger to your meals or brewing a soothing cup of ginger tea can help support kidney function and promote detoxification. Crunchy, versatile, and incredibly nutritious, cabbage is a must-have in any kidney cleansing diet. This cruciferous vegetable is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients that support liver and kidney detoxification processes. Whether enjoyed raw in salads or cooked in stir-fries, cabbage is a kidney-friendly food you'll want to incorporate into your meals regularly. Get ready to beat it! These vibrant root vegetables are not only a feast for the eyes but also a boon for kidney health. Beets are rich in betaine, a compound that helps reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress in the kidneys. Enjoy them roasted, pickled, or blended into a refreshing beet smoothie for a kidney cleansing treat. Crunchy, crisp, and incredibly hydrating, celery is a kidney-friendly snack that packs a nutritional punch. This low-calorie vegetable is rich in antioxidant and compounds that help reduce inflammation and promote kidney health. Snack on celery sticks with hummus or add them to soups and stir-fries for a delicious and detoxifying boost. Transport your taste buds to a tropical paradise with the sweet and tangy flavor of pineapple. This exotic fruit is not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for kidney health. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps reduce inflammation and improve digestion. Enjoy fresh pineapple chunks as a snack or blend them into a refreshing smoothie for a kidney cleansing treat. Creamy, nutritious, and oh so delicious. Avocados are a superfood for kidney health. These green gems are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and potassium, which help regulate blood pressure and support kidney function. Spread avocado on toast and add it to salads or blend it into a creamy avocado smoothie for a kidney-friendly indulgence. Last but certainly not least, we have cauliflower, the unsung hero of kidney cleansing foods. This cruciferous vegetable is rich in antioxidants and compounds that support liver and kidney detoxification processes. Whether roasted, mashed, or riced, cauliflower is a versatile and nutritious addition to any kidney cleansing diet. There you have it, 15 kidney cleansing foods to nourish your body, revitalize your kidneys, and elevate your overall health and well-being. By incorporating these delicious and nutritious foods into your diet, you can support your kidneys' vital functions and enjoy a renewed sense of vitality and energy. But remember, a healthy diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Be sure to stay hydrated, exercise regularly, and avoid excessive consumption of processed foods and sugary drinks to maintain optimal kidney health. So what are you waiting for? Head to the grocery store, stock up on these kidney cleansing foods, and embark on your journey to a healthier, happier you. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep nourishing your body from the inside out. See you in the next one. Toodles!